Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how I fake tan. This is going to be a nightmare. I'm on my knees right now. So I am not going to show you my whole body, obviously, because I'm not about to hop around in my bikini here. But I will show you the most important bits, like the hands and feet and where I start. So we will do that. First of all, let me tell you, you should shave, exfoliate the day before or even a couple of days before. I wax, so I wax probably 2 days before, so my skin calms down. Now I exfoliate with this. This is a Skinny Tan Pre-Tan Primer and Skinny Tan Glove. So I do that. This is like a granulated scrub. I apply on that mitt, and in my shower I scrub myself with that. Then I put like extra moisture on my elbows, on my knees and my feet. And that's on a day when I'm shaving and exfoliating. You don't want to put moisturizer on just before tanning. Okay, now what I'm going to use today, you know I use a lot of tans and I have lots of favorites, but I've just bought the UTAN Turbo Self Tan Mousse, which smells of coconut and cherry, I think, and I've tried it once and it's really dark and it's really nice color. You know I'm all about the tan being dark. So I will fake tan myself up to here. I don't really use this on my face. On my face I use some sort of spray. So I've got UTAN coconut tanning water. I really like this one, Isle of Paradise, and I've got the dark one, of course. And then I also have the Tropez Purity spray. So any of those sprays, they have no color in it. I just mist my face with it. Okay, so what I will have to do now is go and take my makeup off, because once I've fake tan my hands I mustn't touch any water. So I'll wash my makeup off and then I will come back. Okay, I've got the glove. Shake your tan. I put 2 pumps first and I start from just above my ankles. And just in a long circular strokes massage it in, and then with whatever I've got left I'm going to pull it down on my feet. Just think where the sun would hit your foot. Okay, because you don't want to do your top leg, because when you bend down to do your other leg, sorry, my knees are very red because I was kneeling on the carpet. If you bend down to do the other leg, you will get, you know, the tan onto your body. So, and then with whatever is left, go all over your foot. Now I will do my tops of my legs. Okay, now I'm going to do the top of myself. Of course I would be normally doing it naked, but I'm not going to do that. I do the rest later, but I just show you I do exactly the same with my arms. 2 pumps. I start just above my wrists and I go all the way round. I go underneath as well. And when it comes to your back, you have to ask a member of the family to do it. I get Paul to do my back. Also, with whatever I've got left, I will go under my armpit. Just tiny bit, you know, so you don't have these really white armpits. So that's this arm done. Now with whatever I've got left, I'm going to go down in between my fingers, just very lightly. Don't be tempted to go too dark, because the tan always grabs on so much more to your hands. I've got staining on my hands from lipstick swatches. Okay, now I'm going to wait a few minutes, well, a minute or so, for this hand to dry so I can swap the glove. Okay, let's do this arm now. Bend your elbow like this when you do it so it doesn't get in your elbow cracks. Now do the hand. And now we will do the chest. So first do this side and up your neck. Can you see that horrible sun damage that I have? I am going to take care of that this winter, because you can't do it really in the summer. And now with whatever I still have left, I will go over my hands again. And now I would have my back done, spray my face with one of the sprays. You can absolutely use the normal Mousse fake tans on your face, but that will make my face too dark and I don't like it that dark, so I will just spray it just before I go to bed. Now, if you want it darker, you can reapply it again the next evening. What I do, I wait half an hour and I reapply. Especially on my legs, not so much on my arms, because as you can see, hang on, with these lights it's a bit bright, but can you see I am quite brown now, and my legs too. It's only because I was so close to the lights that it didn't look so brown. Okay, compare it to my white back. So I'm going to go now and ask Paul to do my back, and then I will come back. Okay, my back is done. See how brown my legs are. Now what I'm going to do, so what I've done, I waited half an hour, I reapplied a bit more on my legs because my legs are very pale, and then I waited another half an hour, and now what I'm going to do, I take cream. I love this, especially for this purpose, and this is the Body Shop almond milk body yogurt. They come in different flavors. Mine is in almond milk. I like it because it's really, because it's not very thick and it sinks in really quickly. And what I do then, I put it, a lot of it, around my feet. Just around my feet and my ankles. What this will do, it will dilute the tan a bit on my feet, because you know, nothing less attractive than really two brown feet. It will dilute the tan, and also if I didn't spread it properly, it will sort of all melt together and I shouldn't have any streaks. So I do that on my feet, and then I do that on my hands as well. Wipe your hands. And now I will do it on my hands as well. A lot on my hands, because my hands, I always put too much on my hands. But like I said, it doesn't matter, because you wash your hands so often throughout the day that it comes off. Wipe the bottom of your hands. I've got a towel here, so you don't get the transfer of fake tan on the palm of your hands. And that's me done. Now I'm going to take one of these. I think I take the Isle of Paradise. This one is quite dark, and I just spritz it all over my face. And some's gone on me as well. For top ups, I like to use the one that was favorite of mine last month, the Tropez. It was like a clear water gel, self-tan water gel. I didn't bring it here. I like to use this maybe 3 days later just to top it up. I really like that tan. Now, if you look at my chest, because it's so uneven, this will get a bit darker, obviously, where I have the sun damage. Now, I don't know if you can see these 2 lines. This is obviously where my skin gets drier, where the bra straps are rubbing. And I always notice that my tan grabs onto that. And I try beforehand to moisturize these stripes, but it still grabs onto it. So what I do, if I then wear off-shoulder top like this, and this might look a bit unattractive, you might have seen it in some of my videos, I will use the Vita Liberata Body Blur. So this is like a makeup for your body. It's quite water resistant, and I will just rub it in the areas, you know, on either side of those strap marks, just to even out this part of my body. But if I'm not wearing strapless top, just, you know, normal top, then I don't bother. But I also love using that on my legs in the summer if I want my legs to be even browner. Also, you can really cover up your fake tan mistakes with that. So if you wake up in the morning, you've showered off your fake tan, and you see that maybe it's not that even in places, you can, if you're going out somewhere where people will see your legs, then you can put that over your legs as well, and that will even out your tan. I love this stuff for like a quick fix. So that's me done now. So I will have to go to bed like this. Obviously from now on you mustn't touch water, because if you wash your hands now, the fake tan will come off. You need to wait at least 2 hours, I think, for light tan. I don't know, 6 hours for medium, and I just do it overnight. My sheet's gonna be filthy, but I like it because it's so dark. And in the morning I will shower it off, and that's how I do it. I won't be coming probably tomorrow to show you what I look like, because you see me in my videos when I've just done my fake tan, you see how brown I look. You just wanted to see how I do this. Good morning. Just wanted to show you this morning my tan. So as you can see, there is no streaks or anything on my hands. I know they look very dark, but I haven't had a shower yet. Once I shower it off, it won't be as dark. And let me show you my feet as well. Okay, as you can see, my feet don't have any streaks on them, and that's all because of that cream that I use at the end. And this is after I've washed it off. No streaks. See, it's not as dark. I mean, it looks darker here in real life than in the camera. And my feet, no streaks whatsoever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't show too much body parts. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.